We all leave tracks. When I was a kid, my mom would make us take our shoes off in the basement so that we wouldn't be tracking mud or snow or worse upstairs into the house. There's a Dakota proverb that says, "We will be known by the tracks we leave." You're leaving tracks all the time. We're all leaving tracks. You might think of it as your brand or your legacy, but we're all leaving tracks. At the end of our life, at the end of a career, at the end of a job or a role, at the end of every meeting, at the end of every conversation, you leave tracks, right? You leave an impression of you behind with people. And I've learned the hard way in my life that you need to be more intentional. We need to be more intentional. I needed to be more intentional about the tracks I was leaving. Again, I've left some muddy tracks. And so I invite you and I invite all the leaders that I coach to be as intentional as possible about the tracks that you're leaving. And here's a simple thing I invite you to do to get started at being more intentional about the tracks that you're leaving. I'd like you to write down 5 words that you hope people are using to describe you when you're not around. Words that describe you at your best as a leader, your best as a person. Words that describe the good tracks that you're leaving. And keep that list of 5 words around. Keep it, right? Put it on a Post-it by your desk, put it on a Post-it on your bathroom mirror. So you're brushing your teeth in the morning, put it in your notebook when you're going from meeting to meeting, so that you are as intentional and as aware as possible in every moment. Oh yeah, I want to show up in a way that is congruent with these 5 words, that would encourage everybody to use these 5 words when they talk about me when I'm not around. That these are the tracks that I'm hoping I'm leaving with people. And do whatever it takes every day to stay awake and be intentional and leave good tracks. Please hit the like button. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. Help us grow our community. We're in this together. Let's get better together.